Well, I got the new belt on. Gee, long hour. Taking the back off, and let's show you how rusty this frame is under here. Not too bad. And got her on, so that's good. That was a pain, especially since there's brackets on that pulley that keeps it from falling off. I'm so tired. School's a drag, but gotta do it. So right now I'm putting this thing on. Maybe you guys can see it, maybe you can't. Oops. Ta-da! Got that done now. Tighten her up with the wrench. And I'll get back to you guys some more. We'll probably be able to pop wheelies because how tight that belt is. Tractors probably didn't have a 37-inch belt. Wait. Picks 1/2. They didn't have a 88 belt. They only had an 86. No, an 87 was what I needed. So, alright guys. There's actually a diagram still down here. Take care. Well, that's pretty much here, and that's what she wrote. I love these twins, so see you guys later.